dyan sa sinasabi mo, how manipulative. The First Lady is shortcutting the process of authority na hindi siya presidente pero napakadelikadong pinapagalaw niya ang instruments of the state like the Armed Forces of the Philippines. Tungayan natin ito.
Hi, this is Lisa and I'm walking in the PSG compound. I just want everyone to know that I have nothing to do with ISAP. I don't know the people involved. I have nothing to do with appointments. I leave that up to my husband. And if I find out that somebody's using my name, I shall tell my husband not to appoint you, okay? So I hope this is clear for everyone. Right, Demi? Can you please disseminate this to everybody? Because I'm sick and tired of people using my name.
Yes,
Okay, thank you very much. Bye.
So in one sentence, she says that she has nothing to do with the appointments. And in the same breath, she says, if I find out, I'll tell my husband not to appoint you.
Ang